Now, we're absolutely delighted to announce the third Housing First project to be awarded the Housing First Wales accreditation. This organisation has worked incredibly hard over the last few months, providing us with the evidence we needed to assess whether they are delivering Housing First in line with the principles. As you know, Minister, it's a very rigorous process with scrutiny of the organisation's policies and procedures, interviews with Housing First tenants, staff, commissioners, landlords and partner organisations. This is then followed by an interim recommendations report, which this organisation embraced and fully committed to further development and improvement. Finally, following a scrutiny by a panel of independent experts who looked carefully at the evidence and posed even more questions to the project, there was a unanimous and enthusiastic decision to award the accreditation to this project. Minister, we'd be delighted if you could announce the accreditation of the third project to receive this award.
Diolch, Katie. I am absolutely delighted to announce the third project to be awarded the Housing First Wales accreditation is Housing First Anglesey, which is led by the Wallich in partnership with Anglesey Council, local health services, criminal justice representatives, and a range of private and social landlords. They were established in 2013, initially as a pilot, and it's the longest running Housing First project in Wales. They've supported hundreds of people experiencing homelessness, and it's really heartening to hear that this is being delivered in line with our Housing First principles. I know, as you just said, Katie, that the accreditation process is really rigorous, with countless policies and procedures scrutinised by Cymorth's Housing First manager, Alex Osmond, and in a series of in-depth interviews with project staff, clients, landlords, commissioners, and other partners. And the panel of independent experts have gone through all the evidence, they've met the project managers and made the decision about awarding the accreditation. So given the current pressures I just referenced, it makes this accreditation all the more impressive. And I'm so pleased to hear about the extensive work during this process to improve and develop the service. So I'm delighted to congratulate Housing First Anglesey and to Joe Parry in particular, the service manager, who's here to formally accept the accreditation. Many congratulations, Joe, richly deserved.
Oh, thank you, Minister. Thank you, Katie. Yeah, it's when you were describing it then and kind of what we've been doing since 2013, it's been quite an emotional journey. But as you're describing it, it makes us feel extremely proud that we've been accredited with the accreditation from Cymorth. So yeah, thank you very, very much. Obviously, we couldn't have done it without such a dedicated team. So, you know, I'd like to thank the team for all their hard work and support over the years. The accreditation has been kind of a long and lengthy process. We've learned lots of lessons along the way, working within the principles, and obviously, you know, it's just so much information, and speaking to partners and clients and staff alike. We've just learned so much, so thank you. Really, really proud to have received it. Thank you to Alex and Katie and the team, and thank you to my managers for supporting me, as well as obviously our team supporting me also, to obviously deliver such you know, such a great service really on the island. And yeah, thank you, Minister, for the kind words. Thank you.